Another video of the world.
Oh!
Okay, why am I looking at the chest?
Ay, pagkatapos na
I am so...
pagkatapos na
Hey.
ay lang nahulog.
Hey! Hoy!
Okay, I got a
Ano
sword
naman tingin mo
to
to?
the chest.
Sinama ko.
So, talaga ha.
Talaga na pa.
I fell from a high place!
Mausok na si Grandpa ha.
Grabe
I
ka.
forgot to do... Grandpa, ilang charge ka na po? 67% ka na po, Grandpa. Pwede po pa-charge.
Oo, sige na.
Okay po.
Okay na yan.
Mami!
Okay.
Ha? Kanina ba yan?
Slash.
Oo, what?
Ano pa yan? Subat pa.
What?
Lakad ba?
Ano na? Ano yun? Pati ang ilong na yan. What? Ba't tayo takin mo yung nose? Oh, ikaw talaga. Kulawat pa, binahin mo sa... binahin mo sa, ano? Sa bedsheet?
Dad, pwede ka na mag-fly.
Ha? Bedsheet yan, hindi yan ano.
So, baby, our project for today is making a... You guessed it!
Yuck. Ako, patay ka ba?
Our project
Tignan
for
mo.
today.
Pinicturean nga ako.
Tignan mo.
Tawa? Oh no! Oh no, anak.
Grabe.
Ala.
Grabe.
Ala.
Look at this.
Oh no.
What? Is that working?
That's not right.
Why do I have so much raw flesh? I'm surprised.
Okay now, be? Okay now? We're going home na. We're going home.
Dad!
Yeah. Oh, keep mo na to. Hey! Keep na to. Oh, we will cook again tomorrow. Come on. Come on.
Wait!
Gusto mo ba ito?
Napin ko yan.
Oo, kasama. Okay na, Peo. Okay ka na.
Mommy.
Hmm.
Mommy. Turn off.
What?
What's that? Time to get some lava fuel. As I said, lava fuel. Lava fuel. Lava fuel. Now just teleport.
That's a grab.
Yeah.
Grab, ay ka.
Lava fuel. Lava fuel.
Like that.
What is happening?
This.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just make it a little slabs.
Sa kay Grandpa, dali.
Ay, Grandpa, please. Can make this.
Bye!
Hey, that's mine, right? I'm in your pink house.
Kalimutan ko na to.
Nakakabit pa sa'yo yung mga pinaglalagay sa'yo.
Okay, we're going now.
Bye
Ito
po.
ka na kay Grandpa, be?
Hmm.
Copper ingots.
Inapkin ko.
Ako, kalimutan ko na.
Magbubuka ka pa ng ay. Malaya ko na.
Okay lang. Okay lang. Yeah, ano ba?
Ate, ba't wala ka dito? No, my dad's house! No, don't break my dad's house. Oh. Man! Mom, look this. Make me Sama. Tell you. Mom, you want me to stand up? Oh.
Hmm?
Make this.
Mami, ayos yan, Chap.
Hindi ah.
Bakit 30 ng nose mo?
Oh.
Oo.
Laro ka na. Hindi ako nagagawa niya na. Why did I use it? Mm. Mm. Chopping down the tree for the economy. La 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 la. The economy. Yeah. Ay, Dad.
Hi.
Yung creeper, nasira yung
Ay,
house
binigyan
mo.
mo na?
Ano?
Creeper?
Ah,
Ano creeper?
bigla nag-spawn eh, walang torch. Ang dark sa house.
Sa loob?
Yes, probably.
Paano sa loob nagkaroon ng ano?
Gawa ka ng lantern.
Meron akong ano, lantern
Tapos
sa...
na to?
Ay, Dad, hindi pa natin nagagawa yung ano, yung roof.
Ito gamitin mo. Sana yung phone ko, Isabe? Set.
Hmm?
Pera mo kay ate. Yung phone ko.
Hindi siya gumagana para sa... Ano yung wifi mo kasi? Hindi siya gumagana sa Minecraft na ano.
Yung phone ko? Na luma?
Okay.
Uh-uh.
Oh! Ano ba yung naman to?
What is killing me?
Andiyan ka, anak.
Stop it. I said stop it. You're not teasing me, right?
Asan yung lantern? Paano gumawa ng lantern? Wait lang.
Oh. Why do I have so much gold nuggets? Dadagdami kong gold nuggets. Magka-craft na lang ako ng gold.
Ay, nuggets. Kailan ko ng nuggets?
Bakit?
Copper and ano? Iron nugget. Oh!
Wala akong... Hindi ako... Where's my gold?
Wait lang. Ay, nice. Yes.
Dad, may 50 gold ako.
Ay, thanks. Wait lang. Kukunin ko isang ano.
Hindi ako nagkagawa niyan. Bakit lagi?
Anak, meron ka.
I am not the solution. Stop it! Stop
Mommy,
it!
what?
Stop
What
it!
money want?
Oh, it's easy. Oh, he broke one of my...
There.
Oh, right. Okay, good.
Wait lang. Ayaw, wait lang.
Time to punch. Wait, why did I... Oh,
Thank you, love.
why is always... What?
May iron nuggets ka pa, Seth? Wala na.
Kuha ka ng normal iron, tapos...
Tapos,
This is mom?
yung ano pa?
I-uncraft mo.
You love that?
Naka ano na eh, naka...
Who gave you that doll?
Got another bowl.
No, Lola.
Stop it!
Lola gave you that. Ah.
Hindi ako
Tumatapik ka. Brighty. Who gave you that doll? Lola. You like that? Tingin nga. Let me see.
Don't explode!
Ooh, that's a cute one.
Yes, I got some.
How about me?
Yes.
Ayun, si Grandpa ang kakabak ng sanalan.
Hey, look.
Pa? Book na?
Oh,
Okay
ba't
po.
may
wait
ano
lang.
dito? Creeper.
Mami!
Hindi.
Anak,
Creeper.
sabi ko, gamitin mo yung isang phone ko.
Bakit ba yung phone niya? Nasaan ba yung phone niya?
Nalobat. Battery empty.
Oh no.
Asan na ang phone ko?
Dad,
Oh,
gagawa ba ako ng maraming
baka
TNT
dito
o
yung pasok
fireworks?
kay Seth.
No.
Ayaw mo naman. Di wala.
You died!
Sabi ko pa, set up mo.
That's fair.
So,
Oh, set up mo yung ano, phone na
Wait
isa.
lang, wait lang, wait lang.
Oh, bahala ka, anak. Wag ka mag-ano.
Hindi ko magana yung phone mo.
Eh, yung luma.
Yung luma.
Akala ko ba yun yung hinahanap ko sa akin kanina dahil yan yung gumagana.
Akala ko gumagana.
Daddy, happy birthday.
Dinalit mo yung word na yon?
Daddy, look, happy birthday.
Ha? Wow.
Alam ko na.
Daddy,
Wait lang. 26.
Ha?
Daddy.
Kaya pala 26:13 pa to.
O talaga.
Ma'am, nasan yung Google Play dito?
Mommy, look. Mom, mom, mom.
Po.
Mom, mom,
Oh,
mom.
baka mahulog ka.
Mom, mom. No!
Why?
Why just in?
Why?
Yes,
Play
Which
Store?
one?
yes, and this.
Ah, natanggal eh. Balik ko.
Name mo yun, Buranda yung
Oh, yan.
10.
Kailangan
Hi,
shot ko lang
soldier.
yan?
Yeah.
Okay. Like this? Okay.
Yun, kaya pala. Wait lang. Mag-wait ka lang.
What? Me?
Ma, pwede mo i-update yung Minecraft mo dyan? Para
Dito?
makalaro ka din. Yes.
Is this okay?
There's so much.
Dede yan?
I got killed by a little skeleton!
Dad, may baya ka?
Yeyo.
Ha?
May maya?
Magkano?
Sa Grab. Send mo sa Grab Pay ko.
Send ko na lang sa maya mo.
Oh, sige.
Magkano?
Oh.
200?
200.
What was that for? Okay.
Okay. Put it on Dad.
Who's killing me? Okay, I'm just gonna grab out
Oops.
some of this.
Wait lang anak ha. Nangyina na si Mami Chef.
Aba, mag-i-integrate na ang BPI at Robinson Bank. Oh.
Ano yun? Integrate?
Nagko-combine.
A beehive!
Kaya meron nakita dyan behind kuya.
Makakuha tayo ng honey.
Ano purpose nun?
IDK. Yung purpose lang, makagawa tayo ng honey blocks or just honey. If you want to drink the honey, if you want.
Paano yun? Sa tamal.
Sent na.
Yep.
Maya, Maya,
What
Maya.
is happening? And where is my sword?
Wala namang amoy yung CR.
Can I use my
Pwede na
sword?
ako magpupo. Hindi na ako mahihimatay.
Ay, si Ate.
Hindi naman.
Why only a spider? Oh!
Ka?
Oh!
Mm-mm.
No, 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 no.
Balikan mo nga.
Okay, okay, okay. I got killed!
May matay ako eh.
Mahimatay talaga ka.
Talaga ka.
Ay, mahimatay ka
Dalasan na
talaga.
yung kinuha nating induction cooker sa ano.
Oh, patay ako ng ano. Ay, hindi ko alam mahal. Sa ating Biblia baka nagtanong. Hindi ko na naano.
Okay. Stop it!
Bertie, come here.
Some bones. Trombone. What is a skeleton's favorite instrument?
Okay, Mom.
Come here. You choose. What bag do you like? Come here.
A trombone.
This one or this one?
Eh, paano gamitin yung glass?
This
They
one?
don't have
Ayun.
lungs.
And that one? Mermaid?
Me.
And this.
Me.
Muna.
Mommy, me.
Oh, wait lang si ate.
Am I gonna make some signs? Oak
Ito, no.
signs.
Then like
Or a
this.
hanging sign. Oh, bees!
This one.
Okay, let me see. What?